Hey YouTube, what's up? I had a question on what I could do to possibly make it so that my Toshiba laptop computer could run cooler. Basically this is a Toshiba P105S6217, I think is that the number. Anyways, it's running extremely hot. Now, as you can see here, I just published a different movie on Windows 7, so I'm running this in the background, but I want to show you what happens when I run anything either graphically or processor intensive. As you can see here, I don't know if you can read it. Anyways, I have two cores in this computer. They are both running at 77 and 79 degrees Celsius. If you know anything about how hot a computer should run, that's ridiculous. And I often find the GPU, from doing anything graphically intensive, is running more like, instead of 54, it's running like 60, 65-ish. Which I find is quite ridiculous. Interesting, wow. Huh. It just dropped quite a bit. Now that it finished making the movie file, it dropped all the way down to 60 degrees Celsius, which is still, in my opinion, too hot for a computer to run. However, I don't know what I'd be able to do. So basically, I have tried a couple things. I have checked my power settings, made sure I had those set right, not overly taxing the computer. Cleaned out the fans with an air can, obviously the computer off. Did a couple other things. I'm obviously not, having it's set on a glass table, well ventilated. So there's nothing I can do more to ventilate it better. It's either sit in my lap. I never set it down on like a couch or something like that where the fans in the bottom can't blow out. Yeah, as you can see here, it's dropped down to about 50 degrees Celsius, which is still hotter than I'd like it, but in my opinion it's still too hot. This is using a speed fan, which is, I found it's a decent program. I'm not sure how hot it's supposed to be. I'm going to my main computer here. Speed fan. Let's see. I have an AMD 4400 with a GeForce, what was it? An NVIDIA 8600 GT. I built this computer myself, so I have plenty of fans in it. Oh, it's not starting up very well. There it goes. But it says my two cores, well, that's kind of interesting. Here's another question. My cores are running at different temperatures. I don't know if that's a problem with the program, but it's saying one's running at 25 and one's running at 60. And my GPU is running at 60. I don't know if that's a program problem. Maybe the program's reading the computer wrong. Sorry about that stupid camera. Maybe the program's reading wrong. I don't know. Post your opinions. I'm trying to figure out what I should do to help my laptop run cooler, or maybe I'm just reading the computer wrong and I don't need to do anything about it. But post your comments, please. Thanks. Sorry for the sketchy video.